Good Friday Eve, everybody. How are you? I forgot the key again. Here comes Michelle with the key. Still drizzly, overcast. It's not raining, it's just everything's wet. Oh well, time to get off to work. Got my travel coffee, and we can get in the car. Moving on. Hi guys, that's us home for work. Been home a few hours now. What we've been doing is basically watching TV. Michelle's been wrapping up a present for her niece, which she's going visiting tomorrow, and this will go up after she's visited, so it doesn't matter. I can actually say it. She's been wrapping up Beatrix Potter books, and yeah, what you bought for your little niece, Amy's little Sproggets. Yeah, one of Michelle's favourite programmes has started again, as Eat Well for Less. We just watched a couple who just shop just like us, don't they? Mm-hmm. I push the trolley around and I sneak things into the trolley. And I sometimes get away with it, yeah. Anyway, I've got our unboxing. Because, I'll pass this over to Michelle. Got an unboxing to show you. You'll notice that we've got our blankets back because normal Scottish weather has resumed. It is a DVD locker opening. I managed to open it. So this is decided that this is probably going to be our last. Yeah, going to pre-order instead of getting these. Not that it's a bad thing. Okay, we've got the first one. It's the Precious Cargo. The next one is Lawless. The third one is called State of Play, and that's another one I've never seen, State of Play. And the final one out of the DVD locker for this month is Safe House. And that is it. Looking forward to watching them. They'll go on our to be watched shelf, and if we like them we'll keep them, if not we'll just get recycled back into it. But like I said, that's going to be my last DVD locker. Anyway, I know it's been a bit of a short vlogging day, but today...
I've got an unboxing.
Oh, Michelle says she's got an unboxing. Can we guess what it is? I bet I can. Delivered by the only company in the world that delivers things.
Mm-hmm.
Why Mummy Swears? By somebody Sims.
Gill Sims.
Gill Sims. Get your finger on the thing.
So this book is the sequel to Why Mummy Drinks, which I got last year, the yellow one that I lent to my mum because I thought it was hysterical. Gill Sims, she came to fame, believe it or not, as a Facebook poster. She's got an account called Peter and Jane on Facebook, and it is hilarious, absolutely hilarious. And she wrote her first book, and it spent weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks at the top of the New York Times bestseller list, which just goes to show you how good it was. And I couldn't put it down. I read it, I laughed, I cried, I laughed some more. It was brilliant. And this is the sequel to Why Mummy Drinks. And it's actually out today. So obviously I bought this on pre-order. When I found out through the Facebook group that it was going to be coming, I went straight on Amazon, put it on pre-order. Cannot wait to read this book. It is going to be epic. I know it's going to be epic because the first one was so funny. So funny. Yeah, no, it is. It's irreverent. It's filled with laughter and the trials and tribulations of trying to raise two small children in modern society. And I cannot recommend her first book, Why Mummy Drinks, enough. And I will let you know what I think of Why Mummy Swears. But she is so funny. She's so funny. Completely out of the realms of what I would normally read. But it is really good. And you should totally search for Peter and Jane on Facebook and follow her because she is hilarious. She is so funny. The language can get a bit choice at times, so if you're not happy about people swearing, then maybe not so much. But yeah, no, really funny. Really funny. Definitely check her out.
Okay guys, with that my gimbal's given up. Let me just turn it back on again. See if it actually picks itself up. Yeah. Okay guys, apologies about the tilt on the camera then. My gimbal will just give up. I'll have to go and change the batteries on it. So instead of re-recording all that, I'll just say it's a good night from me.
And it's a good night from him.
Good night guys, see you all in the morning. I think I better go and change these batteries. Moving on.